Hi, my name is Alpha Ardiansa. Here I will describe the picture of the Mother Nature. Judging from the picture, there seems to be a battle between its mother or woman and a human or child, pointing a gun at picture of a woman. The image so beautiful color and natural themes. This picture on the right in the hand of a man or a child holding a gun in the face of a woman who seems to be crying the natural world and crying over the possibility of being killed. The gun point at the woman face seems to represent man-made industrial cities, and the woman seems to represent the natural world that is slowly being destroyed by the activity of civilization. It looks like the picture is going to experience a natural disaster such as a picture of trees, atmosphere and rivers. It seems that already quite understand what is meant by the image. Look, the woman represents the beauty, the bright color of nature, the shiny life. And the person carrying the gun is the city and the polluting fumes that might threaten at the atmosphere. You can see that the man's hand is burned with he holds the gun on the head of the woman or the mother. It is possible that this image could cause destruction. It could be. This image, strong expression of humanity, lack of respect for nature. Maybe mankind does care about the surrounding environment, which might become extinct because of their action, such as cutting down trees carelessly, throwing waste in rivers, even air pollution that can eliminate our atmosphere. The purpose of this image to create fear in the community. The main focus in this figure is perhaps to illustrate the detrimental impact of human development on the environment. The main idea in the picture is the need for environment change to sustainability. Thank you for attention.